The festive season of Diwali ushers in hope, happiness, and a whole lot of celebration. It's a time to purchase beautiful home decor, replace or buy new appliances, change your wardrobe, organize a large function, or plan a family vacation. Your savings may not always be sufficient to support your dreams, which is why we have compiled the top 6 reasons why an instant personal loan can be beneficial for you. Personal loans can be obtained up to 25 lakh rupees depending on your eligibility. It offers a flexible repayment tenure between 12 to 60 months. Personal loans can be availed at attractive interest rates. It requires minimal documentation and no collateral. It solves your need for quick funds. You can use the loan amount for multiple purposes. Fullerton India offers eligible borrowers with personal loans up to 25 lakh rupees that could help fund any planned or unplanned festive expenses. Check your loan eligibility and calculate EMIs through our simple personal loan calculators. To apply for a salaried personal loan and check out our exciting festive offers, click the link in the description. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.